Struggling to increase conversions on your Shopify store? What if I told you one simple countdown timer could change everything? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add a high converting countdown timer to your Shopify store using custom code completely free, no apps needed. Plus, I will give you the full code in the description so you can copy, paste and launch it in minutes. Let's dive in. First, go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Online Store, then Themes. Now you will see your theme name. Next to the theme name there is a 3-dot option. Click on it. Then click Edit Code. It will open a new tab. This is the theme editing panel. On the left side of the tab, under your theme name, you will see some folders. One of them is the section folder. We will add our custom code inside this section folder. Now I copy the section name, then go back to the edit code tab. Here you can see the section folder. Inside the folder I create a new file. Then I paste the section name, I copy it and press enter. That's it, our new file is created. You can see the file name here, and below it there is an empty box. There is where we'll add our code. If your theme already has any default code in this file, just delete it. Now I go back to the document file. Here you can see the full code. I copy all of it. Then come back and paste it into the blank box. After pasting the code, click save. Don't forget to save after adding this code. You can follow the same process to add more section. I only added one countdown timer, but you can also add more countdown timers, review section or marquee section to your Shopify store this way. Now I go back to the theme edit panel, then click on the theme again and open it. Next to the theme name you will see an option called edit theme. Click on it and it will take you to the theme customization panel. On the left side you will see add section. Click on it. After clicking, you will find the name of the countdown timer section you added. In my theme it appears at the top, but in your theme it might be at the bottom, so check carefully. Since I added only one custom section, I see only one name. If you add more section, you will see more name here. Click on it and it will open instantly. From here you can change the text, color, background color, timer, everything. No matter which countdown timer you add, you can customize it the same way. Finally, after making your changes, don't forget to click save. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a sleek, high converting countdown timer. Don't forget I've added the full free custom code in the description below so you can copy paste and get started right away. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and share with other Shopify store owners. See you in the next video.